guys sit in the cubicles. The Cube Farm. We're bike riding. Right, Shy? Take a left, Bear. Yes, DS Domination. Learn how to make money online. Right, Shy? DS Domination. Learn how to make money online to get your ass out of the cubicle and out here riding bikes with your kids. It's a beautiful day. It's funny seeing everybody rush around for lunch. Everybody gets 30 minutes for lunch. 30 minutes and that's it. Or an hour. Run, run, run. Follow me, guys. That's crazy. I mean, no, people were not made to sit in cubicles. I'm listening to Think and Grow Rich right now, and they were just saying, if you're not growing, you're dying. If you're not thinking, you're dying. Slowly but surely. It is crazy. And I was like, oh, that just hit me like a ton of bricks. Like, could you imagine at the job every day, the same thing every day? Holy moly. Every day, the same thing you do every day. So that is not growing, you're dying slowly. In a cubicle. Even worse. Online Cash Money Mentor. Let me know when you're ready. Check out the blog, the link will be below. Let's connect, let's get some money. Bye.